Hello to all my semi-truck collector friends. I would like to introduce to you my collection of semi-rigs that I started to collect about 2.5 years ago and still working on it. And I will be talking to you about my first semi-rig that I bought. This one is a W900L Kenworth with a 72-inch sleeping berth. And beautifully detailed, as you can see. And it has movable parts with the airline, the airline, and the electric line, rubber tires, chrome rims, and it's just one of my favorites since I'm a Kenworth type of guy. Next, I'm going to tell you about my Western Star silver and black. Also has rubber tires with chrome rims and very beautifully detailed. And as you can see, it has the airline, the electric line, and movable kingpin as well. So next I go to my white Kenworth T680 cab with a 76-inch high roof sleeper and and also diecast promotions, which all my trucks are, and also very beautifully detailed. I can't stress it enough, guys. It has rubber tires with chrome rims, a movable kingpin as well, and the airline and electric line attached. Beautiful. Next, I will tell you about my Volvo white VNL 760 high roof. You can't say it's not beautifully detailed. It's just another one that I really love. I love my trucks. Rubber tires, and it includes also chrome rims like the rest. Next, I will be telling you about my limited edition 2019 Mac Anthem. This one is silver with black, chrome rims, rubber tires, and included as well, beautifully detailed, all in its original packaging, guys.